Welcome everyone, Mondays with Mel. And this is a little different this week because I'm really diving in to these amazing new wellness programs that doTERRA is launching October 1st. And I cannot be more excited about them because they are easy to use, they're upfront, and they really break down the specific products that are necessary to find relief, to find support for your mind and your mood, and also immune support. And so we're going to dive a little bit into these and what they look like. And so that is why I have a presentation up this time. So hopefully it is showing for everyone. And I want to double check to make sure it is. Yes, it is. Awesome. So we'll get going. So there are 3 areas of targeted wellness that are available on October the 1st. Immunity, protect, strengthen, and respond to any form of threat. Relief, comfort, support, and soothe. And then mind and mood, balance, restore, adapt. One thing that's huge is that if you were born with a certain DNA, which everyone was, you do not have to keep that same DNA. There's neuroplasticity. There is ever-changing ability that our body has to change and manipulate things to improve within our body. And so that is where this is huge, because this is really providing you with a targeted area, and there's actually going to be some more targeted areas that are going to be released in the spring. But you have a targeted area, and then you're going to have a specific protocol to follow over the course of 3 months. So why these wellness programs? There's been many different situations that have popped up where people are confused, not sure how to use their oils that they have, not like getting sustained results or unsure of where to start with different things. And that is where this is really just for ease of use. This is for you to have something on hand to support you with a protocol that's laid out for you. I'll show you that here in a minute. And it's very, very simple to incorporate. And so that is the beauty of this. Of course, I or your wellness advocate will also be there as a guide, as support as you go through each one of these each month. But it is a great way for just that extra guidance of, okay, I'm really looking for immune support. This is a 3-month protocol to incorporate to really create a regimen for your lifestyle. So there are 3 kits in 90 days. You get a new kit every single month. You do not have to go in and edit your loyalty rewards order. It's $75 a month, and that automatically will process on your loyalty rewards order. Those of you who have already been doing the Lifeline Vitality and adding on other products to that, that is exactly what these are going to look like. You're going to get extra savings of 25% off for additional products that you add on to your wellness kit focus that you want. If you want to do all 3 of them at once, you can. If you want to just do one, you can. You also are going to get little premium or limited time offers that come in each one of the packages. And then every month you're going to get, so first month you get a sustainable bag like this. And then the second and third month, you're going to get some recycled craft pouches, but you're still going to get your protocol inside of the craft pouch. So that's pretty awesome. Launch in the second quarter of 2021. So let's look at each one. Here's immunity. So immunity, you have your foaming hand soap, you have your dispenser, which are of course amazing. Then you've got On Guard hand sanitizer, must have. You've got dental floss, which cannot be purchased. This is an extra bonus. And you have 3 oils. So you have On Guard, Wild Orange, and Purify. And Purify is amazing in all sorts of ways. You can diffuse it to just freshen the air, keep everyone's immune system strong, but you also can use it in your laundry to support there as well. It's great. And then you also get these travel size toothpaste. And this is the new formula of our toothpaste, which is helping remineralization of your teeth, because our teeth are constantly being worn down by the foods that we eat, the acid and various things that we put on our teeth. And so this new formula of our On Guard toothpaste, it tastes very similar. The flavor hasn't changed that much in my opinion, but it's just not as spicy. There's not as much spice to it, but it's the formula is going to help remineralize as well as whiten your teeth, which is awesome. So this sleeve is on the outside of your bag. It looks very similar. It's hard to see in my light right there, but it says immunity kit. And then on the inside, you can see that orange section right here. That is the instructions. So it tells you, on guard, add 1 to 2 drops alongside with your favorite citrus oils to water and drink throughout the day. End your day by diffusing 3 to 4 drops for a clean and fresh aroma. Sanitizer mist. Wipe down surfaces in your car to clean your hands after using public transportation. Spray down your workspace at the end of the day. So it gives you specific ways to use each one of the items that are included in the kit. Now I want to talk about these add-ons. These add-ons are going to be the same every single month for the 3 months. But what's awesome is On Guard soft gels, Copaiba soft gels, Melissa, On Guard beadlets, turmeric, and petal diffuser are all going to be 20% off, which is huge. So you can add them on in any of the months. You could add them on every single month, and you're going to get a discount. So it's pretty cool. So here's month 2. You have several things in here. There's a tongue scraper. Okay, if you're not familiar with the tongue scraper, it's amazing. It's great at night. It's great first thing in the morning. It just helps clean your tongue, which also helps boost your immune system. It comes with tea tree, grapefruit, a mini mouthwash, the On Guard capsules, an On Guard sanitizer, and beadlets. Now, why sanitizer? Because my family, we at least go through 1 a month. That's a minimum. If we're out and about, which we have been lately, we go through 2 to 3 a month. And then my husband also has one at work, or he has one in his car. So we have a ton of On Guard hand sanitizer. I probably have it in every bag. But it's so important to use because everywhere we go, everything we touch, this just helps not only kill the germs that are around us, but it also supports our body, our immune system. The add-ons are the same this month as well. So that is a great way. The mouthwash is sold out right now. So kit 2, if you get kit 1 in October and kit 2 in November, you for sure will have the mouthwash. Add-ons for the month 3 are exactly the same, but this month you're gonna get these amazing wipes. So you're gonna get all of these wipes, which are individually wrapped. They will be having a big package of wipes that will be available to be purchased, but these are just individual packets that you can throw in your bag, throw wherever. You're gonna have a carrying case, which is what's laying down by the On Guard sanitizer. So that's a carrying case for your sanitizer to clip on, to find things easily on the go. You're gonna get an On Guard roller. You're gonna get a 5 ml of Breathe. You're gonna get a frankincense of 4 ml of Frank. You're going to get a stronger roller, and you're also going to get veggie capsules. And the last oil in there is, I'm trying to remember off the top of my head, and I don't. An oregano, that's what that is. It is a oregano, a 5 ml of oregano, which is great for your immune system as well. Okay, so those are our 3 months of immunity kits. Now I'm gonna dive into our relief packages. So for relief, this is amazing for any sort of inflammatory response that you might be feeling in your body. So month 1, you're gonna get a 15 milliliter bottle of Aroma Touch, a 5 ml of Deep Blue. You're gonna get this massage ball, which is not a stress ball. It's a hard ball that you rub on your back, on sore, achy places in your body. You're gonna get Deep Blue polyphenol capsules, and also the travel rubs. These rubs are handy because on the go, you never know when you might have some head tension. You never know when you might have pulled a muscle or cricked your neck or whatever, and you feel funky and you need some support. So that is where that's really helpful. The add-ons for the relief package: Aroma Touch, Helichrysum, Deep Blue Complex capsules, Copaiba 15 milliliters, and also turmeric capsules. All those are 20% off. So then month 2, Wintergreen, which is a secret weapon for relief. Copaiba, another secret weapon of relief, especially in the capsule form. A refillable tube of Deep Blue, which is awesome for travel. You can see the smaller tube, and then you're gonna get a full-size tube. The add-ons are also the same. And then the 3rd month for the relief package, you're gonna get some empty 10 milliliter rollers. You're gonna get some fractionated coconut oil, turmeric capsules, a Deep Blue, 5 ml, and then a 15 ml of pure past tense, and some roller tops. Those roller tops can be put directly on those bottles, or you can mix those bottles with other bottles and create your own combo and use those roller caps for that. Again, the add-ons are all the same and they're 25% off. Okay, last wellness program is Mind and Mood. Mind and Mood is probably my favorite. It's become doTERRA's #1 selling, really well, not #1 selling necessarily, but it's doTERRA's one of the top requested oils right now that many people are going towards because of increase in stress, increase of anxious feelings. And this is a really good natural solution to support your body, create homeostasis, to create a balance with your mind and your mood. And so what it comes with is you have a 15 milliliter of Balance. You get Balance deodorant. That is your bonus add-on that you cannot purchase. You get adaptive capsules, which are powerhouses with GABA, Sclerotium, ahi flower, and also the adaptive blend. And then you get an adaptive roller that you can utilize for aromatherapy support as well as topical support. Your add-ons that are 20% off are diffuser, which the diffuser is going to be upgraded from the Petal to the La Luz diffuser, which just was released at convention. Then you have the Steady and Thinker, which are kid rollers, but those are amazing for everyone. They are part of the kids line of rollers though. And then Copaiba, Serenity, and Adaptive Soft Gels are all available. Diving into month 2, the diffuser will be the La Luz starting October the 5th. So if you're waiting until the 5th to get started, you'll get a different diffuser, which is awesome. But month 2, your extra add-on is bath salts, which are super cool. Then Black Spruce, Lavender Touch, Adaptive 15 milliliter, and Wild Orange 15 milliliter. And then month 3, same add-ons, all 20% off. Month 3, you're gonna get a Serenity and Adaptive spray. So these are great for right before bed. These are great for freshening pillows, wherever you're around or sitting, freshening the air, spraying on yourself. They're good for all sorts of things. A Balance roller, cedarwood, citrus bliss, and lavender in 15 milliliter size. And that small container is body butter. So it is our body butter recipe, but it doesn't have any essential oils added into it. And so it's just completely plain body butter. And you can make up your own concoction and go with the plain body butter, which is amazing. I'm crossing my fingers that maybe they'll have the body butter available without any essential oils in it to purchase at another time, because I love that concept, because our body butter is just so luscious. It's so good. So that is really, that is really the add-on options right here. So you have, up to 3 of each of those per month. You can change them every month. And it's just a great way to, add on some extra things, or if you're out of certain things, you get them at a cheaper price. So those are, I wanted to race through the candidate one. So those are all of the wellness programs. And again, those are all launching October the 1st. And it's a great, great time to capitalize on having those at your fingertips and really supporting your mind, your mood, your immunity, and also your relief. And just if you have any inflammation in your body, it really supports a good inflammatory response with the relief blends. And again, just to wrap up, inside of each one of these cards, there is these amazing instructions that break down. Let me see if I can change my lighting just a second. These break down what to do with all the things that are inside of the package. And so that is super handy to have on hand. So if you aren't sure how to use the different items or the different oils, that's going to give you some tips and tricks. So thanks for tuning in to Mondays with Mel. Stay tuned for more information. I'll be posting some graphics and stuff over the next few weeks on these new wellness kits. And these programs are just outstanding, and they really support what we need right now. So I'm excited to see everyone's success as you dive into these wellness programs over the next few months. And thanks for tuning in. We will see you next Monday on Mondays with Mel, and it will be October. Hard to believe. Bye.